In this video, I'll guide you through how to duplicate a component in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, knowing how to efficiently duplicate components can save you a lot of time and streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to webflow.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so using your Webflow credentials. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard where you can see a list of your projects. Take a moment to identify the site that contains the component you wish to duplicate. Next, select the site by clicking on it. This action will open up the Webflow Designer interface where you can make all necessary changes and updates to your project. The Designer is your main workspace in Webflow and offers a variety of tools and options to create beautiful, responsive websites. Now, navigate to the component you'd like to duplicate. This could be anything from a button or a form to a section or a div block. Once you've spotted the component, simply right-click on it. You'll see a context menu appearing on your screen. Right-clicking is a useful shortcut that gives you quick access to a variety of actions, including duplication, without needing to hunt through menus. In the context menu, look for the option that says Duplicate and click on it. This action will create an exact copy of the component you selected, complete with all its styles and settings. The duplicated component will appear right next to the original in your layout, allowing you to move or edit it as needed. Duplicating components in Webflow is a fantastic feature because it helps you maintain consistency across your design, especially when working on large projects that require repeated elements. Plus, it significantly speeds up the process, reducing the need to recreate similar components from scratch. Remember, while duplicating components is straightforward, it's always a good practice to review each duplicated item to ensure it fits well within your design and functions as intended. Make any necessary adjustments to positioning or styling to ensure seamless integration into your overall design. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully duplicated a component in Webflow. This simple action can really enhance your productivity and help you maintain a consistent design language throughout your site. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Webflow.